Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an LD brand compatible Epson 702XL ink cartridge and your Epson WorkForce WF-3730 printer. LD brand compatible cartridges are a great low-cost alternative to the original Epson brand. Installing an LD brand compatible cartridge is identical to installing the Epson. The Epson WorkForce WF-3730 uses the Epson 702 black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges. And cartridges are sold in a standard yield size and a high yield or XL size, which offers more ink. Okay, I've got a brand new LD brand 702XL high yield black cartridge here. So let me take it out of the box. Take it out of the plastic wrap. I actually like to do the rest of the unpackaging over a trash can, so let me grab a trash can really quick and we'll continue the unpackaging process. Okay, I've got my trash can, and as I said earlier, I like to do it over a trash can because sometimes some of the ink can escape from the cartridge when you're just removing the yellow tag here. So that's why we've got the trash can. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the pull tab here, and this opens up the vent hole on the cartridge so the cartridge can work properly in the printer. And while you're doing this, just be careful not to touch the gold contact points here. These contact points are very sensitive, and sometimes if fingerprint residue or dust gets on them, a faulty connection might appear on your printer's display. If you do accidentally touch them, you can always just wipe them down with like a lint-free cloth, but just be aware of that while you're doing this. Try not to touch those gold contact points. And with that, let's move forward and install the cartridge into the printer. Okay, so let's go ahead and replace the cartridge. First, we're going to check the cartridge levels. You can do that by pressing the small ink droplet here on the display. You'll see a little exclamation point, which tells us there's a problem. It's just kind of warning us that we need to replace the cartridge. So we'll go ahead and select that button. As you can see, the black cartridge is low, and that's the cartridge that we're replacing today. So the first thing we're going to do is just select Replace Ink Cartridges on the display screen. Hit Next, and we're going to hit Start. So then it's telling us to open the scanner unit, which you can do up top here. And we'll select Completed, and it's going to process for a moment. Okay, it's confirmed that the replacement is done, so we'll press OK. We're all set. We can start printing. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.